a series of videos to help you rediscover the new and interesting parts of this region. First stop is Bugis, a shopping mall here in Bugis. Tired of only eating and shopping with nothing else to do? Well, follow me and let's find out more. So we're here at We Are the Furballs in Bugis, a dog cafe that can satisfy any dog lover, where action cuteness up ahead. Tired of the cute dogs and wanting some thrill? Well, Amazing Castle is the place for you. Located in between arcades and a villa is this interactive twist between a playground and an arcade. So, join us if you try to beat the clock. So that's it today for Bugis Plus. Stay tuned and find out how else you can rediscover Bugis.